Did you know your brain is playing tricks on you right now? But don't worry, you can learn to play tricks back. Today, we're re-diving into 3 amazing psychological hacks that will totally change how you see the world and interact with people. Stick around, because the last one is a game changer for winning anyone over. First up, the foot and theta technique. It sounds weird, I know, but it's pure genius. If you want someone to agree to a big request, start with a tiny, almost ridiculously easy one first. For example, instead of asking a friend to help you move all day, first ask if they can help you pack just one box. Once they say yes to that small thing, their brain is primed to be more helpful. They've already committed to the idea of helping you, so asking for more help later feels like a natural next step. It's a super simple way to get more yeses in your life, whether it's at work, with friends, or even at home. Next, let's talk about the Zeigarnik Effect. Ever wonder why you can't stop thinking about that TV show that ended on a cliffhanger? That's the Zeigarnik Effect in action. Our brains are hardwired to remember unfinished tasks way better than completed ones. This creates a kind of mental tension that pushes us to seek closure. You can use this to your advantage. If you're studying for an exam, don't try to cram one subject for hours. Instead, study a bit, then switch to another topic, leaving the first one unfinished. Your brain will keep working on it in the background, helping you remember the information better when you come back to it. It's the ultimate anti-procrastination hack. Alright, here is the final and my favorite hack, the Benjamin Franklin effect. This one feels completely backward, but it works like a charm. We don't do favors for people we like. We actually start to like people for whom we do favors. If you want someone to like you, ask them for a small, simple favor. Maybe ask to borrow a pen or ask for their opinion on something. When they do you that small favor, their brain has to justify why they helped you. It concludes, well, I must like this person if I'm helping them. It's a subtle but incredibly powerful way to build rapport and turn acquaintances into friends. So there you have it, 3 powerful brain hacks to navigate your social world. Try them out and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. See you next time.